guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a Suzuki Hayabusa or GSX1300R. One absolute belter of a bike this is. They stopped making these, so they are becoming quite a rare beast these days, especially on this one, a 2017 67 plate. This one's only done 5,221 miles and it's got some great extras. Biggest thing, some cheeky little bar risers on there just to give you a little bit more comfort over the mileage that you probably want to be doing on one of these across Europe and back. Also, it's got the Yoshimura exhaust, so not only does it look stunning, it sounds wicked, and we'll get to that in a few minutes anyway. We've got the seat cowl on there just to finish off, and also when you are at speed it does stop your bum sliding off back as well. Let me just turn displays on. So you've got your analog displays on each side of the digital display in the middle that houses your gear indicator and also your power modes on this. A stunning looking bike. Absolutely stunning. Left hand side just as good as the other side. Got some cheeky little anodized bits as well. But yeah, mega bikes these. Pulling like a train. Guys, we all know that these are an absolute stonking straight liner doing mega speeds, but it's Achilles heel when they first came out was its braking system. However, it was rectified and a cheeky little set of Brembos were popped on the front as well. Anyway, while we're just doing that, let me give it a start up so you can hear it. Really low down grumble from that big engine. An absolute stunner of a bike. Anyway guys, all you need to do to get it bought, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give it a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.